This platform here is very simple, very easy to understand, and besides, it's generating a lot of money. How's it going, guys? I hope you're doing incredibly well. I was asked to bring many videos with content about platforms that are paying, and here I am back to bring a pretty good platform that will interest you a lot. Stay in this video and don't miss any details. But before we move on to watch the video itself, I want to mention that you'll be participating in a $5 giveaway just for commenting right in the comment box. You leave any comment you think is appropriate, and just with that, you'll be participating in each of my channels, whether it's the Spanish channel, the English channel, or the Portuguese channel. And you'll see the results from each video in today's video, meaning that today you'll see the winner from the previous video. Very important, if you comment on the English YouTube channel, the comment has to be in English. If you comment on the Portuguese channel, you just need to leave the comment in Portuguese. And right down here, you'll put your comment in Spanish to be able to participate. That's enough. Alright guys, the platform I'm presenting today is called NK. This platform is paying, and besides, the good thing about this platform is that the investment is very low for the benefit it provides. You already know that these platforms are explosive, they last for a certain amount of time, but for now, we have to take advantage of it since the platform is new. I will explain more or less how everything works, how to make the investment. In fact, it's an investment that I'm seeing right here. How to directly operate the staking section and how to obtain benefits. And obviously, I will also explain how to make withdrawals in this video, so don't leave. Well, let's talk a little about what NKR is, which offers high returns on simple, secure investments by staking USDT to earn passive income. This here is extremely easy to understand and it works really well. In fact, the percentage is fixed with a guarantee of reliability and allocation. And then, if we scroll down a bit more, you will see the different plans, in which they offer you a 95% return for a deposit between $12 and 50 USDT of investment. Notice here you have other different plans that give you a 26% return for an investment between $50 and 200 USDT. You can invest in whichever you find appropriate. Obviously, the more you invest, the higher the percentage of profit, but I have entered this one here, which is between $12 and 50 USDT. And let's see how it works for us and how much profit it gives us. If you want to know exactly how much the platform will return according to the investment you make, for example, the minimum investment, which is $12 for 30 days, in just 7 days, you will obtain $21. That is, you will practically double your investment in just 7 days. Remember that platforms of this type are explosive platforms. What does this mean? That you enter, invest, and withdraw money. That's why the return percentage is so high. But still, as I always tell you, analyze the project 100% before investing. It is extremely important. To access the platform, first you need to go to the description of this video. There you will find a direct link so you can access it officially. You simply enter your email password, repeat the password, register, and that's it. You are now inside the platform. Now then, how do you recharge on the platform? We simply click on the recharge button. Here we can select different deposit methods. I always select the B20 with USDT. We click on it, we select this here. We copy it directly. We go to our MetaMask platform simply by clicking on it. We click on send. We wait a few seconds. We copy. We paste the address right here. Once we have it copied, we select the account to which we will send the transfer. We select USDT. We enter the amount we deem appropriate, and we directly click on confirm, and with that you're done. The direct deposit to the platform is extremely easy. Once you make the deposit, where will you see it? Right here in this section in your wallet. This here is what is already invested. I invested $12 to try it out. It's already working. We have it right here. As you can see at the bottom, it says 12 USDT UTO for 30 days with 25% profit. And now what I will do later is invest $50 more to gain more benefits explosively. Now I will explain how to generate these earnings and how to set in motion the staking section or the plan you have selected. For this, it is very simple. You simply select the amount you want to stake, the number of days you want to have your money held. You click on staking and that's it. It's that easy, and it already starts generating income. Now, as for making a withdrawal, it's very simple. We just click on the withdrawal section, and I will do one in real time so you can see how it works. You can withdraw in TRC20 with USDT or in the B20 of USDT, which is the one I will select. I simply click here and note that the minimum withdrawal amount is 3 USDT. I am going to apply directly everything I have here. But first, I will go to my MetaMask wallet. I will apply directly to it. I will copy my address. I will access right here, Ctrl V to paste, and an important thing. First, I will show how much USDT I have. Notice that I currently have 15 USDT. And what I'm going to do now is send these 50 USDT. Back to my wallet so you can see how it worked. I enter the password and click confirm. In practically about 20 or 30 seconds, you will receive a notification in the upper right corner which says successful withdrawal. We have it right here. And now another important thing. If we link our wallet directly, you will see that the USDT amount is now available, 55.0 cents of a dollar. That is to say, the platform allows withdrawals without intermediaries, completely easy and very profitable. And also guys, an important thing to tell you, this platform has referral programs. Now I will explain how it works, what the percentage is. Notice that it is already generating income for me with just $12, which is what I have invested. And we are going directly to the referral program. For this, simply once you register, you will get a referral link like the one you see here. You simply copy it and share it with your friends. And for each person you invite directly to the platform, you will earn a benefit. And the benefit is 10% for the people you invite to the platform. The people your friend invites to the platform will grant you a 3%, and the third level will be a 2% benefit from the investment they make. And from today, I will be sharing, as always, screenshots within the platform or directly from my Telegram group. Alright guys, we're going for the winner of the previous video, but we're simply heading to the last video we had on the channel, which is this one. From here, we're going to pause it. I'm going to copy the link with Ctrl+C to copy the PP application. Raffle. We're going to the YouTube raffle. We click right here. We're going to paste this. From here, we click start. We load the comments. We wait a few seconds for all the comments to load, which takes practically no time. We filter, duplicates, click confirm, click start, and in just 10 seconds, we have the winner of the raffle. And as always, giving thanks to everyone for being active on my channel. The winner of the raffle is Referral. Congratulations. So guys, I've practically explained everything you need to know. I will say goodbye here. I send you a kiss, a hug. Thank you very much for always being there. And as always, I leave you with a new video right here so you don't miss my investments. And if you're interested in any, you can do it directly. I send you a little kiss and see you in the next video. Bye bye.